Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to cancel send friend request on Facebook. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your friend request option. Press on see all option. Now here you can see 3 dots. You have to press on this. Now click on view send request. From here you can check your send request list. You can cancel your send friend request as you want. That's it. So this is how to cancel send friend request on Facebook. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.